Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl crystalchanel and I am back with a very quick video. I am so excited to show you my newfound love. I love how easy this ponytail is. You can do it in 10 minutes. In fact, let's just jump right into it because I did partner with Amazing Beauty Hair and y'all, this ponytail is lit. So yes, if you want to see how it is that I did this hairstyle and what I think about this brand, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Okay, dolls, so as you can see, I have this natural ponytail going on. I've been wearing a hat all week because I have been working out and I have to get cute. And sometimes I don't want to have to really do my hair because I know that I'm just going to sweat it out the next day. So here we are with Amazing Beauty Hair. I did partner with them and they sent me this ponytail, which is supposed to be really easy and very secure. So I am attempting to do this. This is my first try. I haven't worn a ponytail before, but first impressions are pretty good. There's Velcro on here and there's a comb. So it makes me feel like it's going to be very secure on my head. In the box, there were actually some hair ties. It came with an actual comb and even some bobby pins. So I absolutely love so far the packaging. The hair did not have a funny smell to it. It kind of smells like Barbie hair. So very similar to beauty supply store hair, but I think it's similar grade because it's Remy hair, meaning it is human hair. You should be able to put heat to it. So as far as what I'm doing, okay, like I said, I've been working out, but sometimes you want to get cute. And honestly, I needed something that I can take down just as easy as put up because I wash my hair often when I'm working out from all the sweat. So this is a really low maintenance hairstyle. All I am using is a little bit of hair oil as well as mixing it with my Got2b gel, the Got2b gel in the yellow bottle. So all I'm doing is using it on my hair. I put my hair in a ponytail. I'm using one of the hair ties that it came with. Now, when you're doing your ponytail, ladies, do not do it too tight. If you do it tight, it's going to hurt your head. So I make sure that my ponytail is not tight. I go ahead and braid my hair down. Now, the instructions on the website, it actually said you can just wrap the ponytail around your actual hair, but I preferred to go ahead and just have a little knot. So as you saw, I put my real hair in a little bun. Now I'm using my hair gel. This is actually my edge control gel. I'm using it to really slick down my hair because again, I didn't set my hair. I didn't do a mold. This is a very quick ponytail, but I do find that edge control helps my hair lay down and it looks really good. So I'm just using this brush to kind of brush it down. Can't forget your baby hairs. And here we go, put my hair in that bun. Again, do not wrap this too tight, y'all. And be careful with your bobby pin as well. You don't want it to poke you in the scalp and then hurt. Now, this is the fun part. Going ahead and swooping those baby hairs. I have really soft hair, so sometimes my baby hairs do come up. That's why I find it's really helpful to do this with also the Got2b glue. So after I mold my baby hairs with the edge controller, I go ahead on top, put my Got2b glue because it really freezes it in place. So if y'all have questions about any of the products that I'm using, you can look down below in the box. I'll go ahead and link everything. That way you guys can buy whatever it is that you see me use because I use it and I recommend it. Okay, girl. So now that my hair is all swooped, the next thing that you're going to want to do is open up the ponytail. Now, mind you, you want to put the comb on first, so it's nice and secure with that comb. And then you want to kind of make your bun small enough so that the Velcro parts can reach. So this is a little harder for me. Again, my first time doing it. I am not a hair expert. However, I like to look good and I like to save my coins. Hence a DIY ponytail video. But I'm trying to tell y'all, because there is Velcro on here, if you don't try to get it as close as possible to the other side, like the end of the ponytail to kind of close it around your bun, it's going to grab onto your real hair, and that Velcro hurts, y'all. It hurts so bad as far as getting stuck on my hair. So that's the one thing I can say is a con about this. But also, as long as you get it to touch the sticky part for the Velcro, then you'll be fine. But I was having a little struggle doing that. But nevertheless, I got it. And now towards the end, you just take that piece of hair and you kind of slick it. I put a little bit of hairspray on it. And now I'm going ahead and wrapping it around just so it's a nice and clean look. I was very impressed on how you couldn't see any track at all. Like, it covers your track really well. It feels really secure in my head. The ponytail, even though it seems kind of thin, it actually looks natural, and I actually do like it. So I actually rocked this ponytail for a couple of days, and then I took it down. I even wore it for my birthday, and I will be inserting a picture soon. But y'all, get into it. Yes, get into this ponytail, honey. It took me less than 10 minutes, no lie, to do this ponytail, and I'm serving. I did put some curls in it, and it did stay for a couple of hours, but you definitely need to have hairspray. But all in all, I absolutely adore this. Okay, dolls, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this 10-minute ponytail. You know I'm on my fitness journey again, and this is an easy, chic hairstyle that anyone can do. I know there were a ton of things I could have done differently, but I definitely wanted to show you what was doable if you're kind of like me and a DIY kind of hair girl. Grab yourself a ponytail. The only thing I can say is that it is a tad bit on the thinner side, which is kind of good in a way that it does look natural. Long story short, when it comes to ponytails, I would say this one is pretty good. I do recommend it. I think Amazing Beauty Hair has some really affordable prices. I'll put the link down below to the exact ponytail that I have, as well as any coupon code that I can find. And of course, I'm gonna thank you dolls so much for your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.